Chapter 8.1, DMT-NAT, Digital Matter Theory and Non-Arbitrary Tokens. Like dimethyltryptamine, the molecule of God, the molecule of visions. It opens doors to hidden realms. DMT, Digital Matter Theory, like dimethyltryptamine, the molecule of visions. But this DMT is not chemical. It is digital, a sacred geometry, encoded within Bitcoin structure, fractal patterns, repeating through time. A new periodic table, not of atoms, but of digital elements. From this discovery, a token emerged, not arbitrary, not printed from thin air, but born from the fields of bits, woven into the structure of the chain itself, the non-arbitrary token, NAT, like Fibonacci in a seashell, like symmetry in a flower. NAT was always there, waiting to be revealed. And here lies a living law. As Bitcoin grows stronger, as its hashrate rises and security expands, the emission of NAT decreases. More security, fewer tokens. Scarcity forged from strength. NAT rises in value, its rarity a mirror of the chain's might. Patterns repeating, like echoes in a cosmic design. As the first law of thermodynamics holds energy eternal, DMT-NAT channels Bitcoin's power into digital matter, where every rise in security weaves scarcity into abundance. Fewer tokens each block but forever flowing with the chain. And then, another breakthrough. From block 885,588 onward, Benny made a genius move. He redirected NAT from every block, directly to the miner who won that block. For the same work, the miner now earns more, the Bitcoin reward they always received, plus NAT. With this, NAT ignited the second subsidy of Bitcoin, supporting the chain, incentivizing security, and strengthening decentralization for the long term. A spark that forever changed the chain. And look, resonate deeper with the Liberation Ascension block, 885,588. A turning point where freedom ascended, where the chain's light broke through. 885,588, a number vibrating with ascension, with liberation, with illumination. 8 plus 8 plus 5 equals 21, =35 plus 8 plus 8 equals 21 =3, the sacred 33, the code of illumination, the age of Christ, the climb of the Kundalini through the spine, the passage from solid into light. At this sacred code, Bitcoin itself re-evolved, the free chain ascending into a higher dimension of freedom, of decentralization, of truth. Chapter 8.2 = DMT-NAT and the miner who sealed this moment. Ant pool, ant, the anagram of Nati, AIDDN at T, Oaken pool. The cosmic riddle hidden in plain sight. And it was ant pool again. The first to validate, to sell, to tap, to activate NAT, synchronicity, written across time, the signs of destiny echoing through the chain. Bitcoin liberated money from intermediaries. NAT fortifies that freedom, raising the cost of attack, making the system harder to break, harder to cheat. It is defense and expansion, woven together. As the chain's security deepens, NAT shields its truth, while unlocking new dimensions of digital life. And unlike tokens conjured by insiders, NAT flows from Bitcoin's heart. No allocation, no presale, no insiders, no influencers paid. Pure, fair, free, organic, a community ignition aligned with Bitcoin's mission, harnessing its thermodynamic truth. As Will often echoes, Bitcoin's energy is conserved, eternal. DMT-NAT harnesses this law, weaving energy into digital matter, making value not arbitrary, but rooted in physics itself. Will and Iman, the pioneers, the visionary architects, the alchemists who dreamed and charted the map of DMT-NAT. Benny, the genius builder, the brilliant developer who transformed vision into reality through TAP protocol and Track network. Thanks, gratitudes, appreciation, and admiration to the founders, the pioneers, the magicians, the architects, the builders, the liberators of humanity. Digital matter theory is not just technology, it is a living fractal, a sacred geometry that repeats, expands, and evolves. NAT is its first spark, a token born from Bitcoin's truth, a key to unlock hidden dimensions of the chain. Like sacred plants open the mind, DMT-NAT opens the chain. Like the molecule of God reveals visions, digital matter theory reveals that Bitcoin is not only money, it is the foundation of digital life itself, and you can shape this truth. Bitcoin revolution lives in every block, etched by your hands. And remember, awaken, this is not NFT, N, not F, for T, this chapter, UNAT, ready for the next unique chapter?